Tonight at the Quick Speed Shop, I'm fixing the rusty exhaust in my S10 with beer cans and Tiger Patch. So my S10 winter rat, which has been in the other videos, had a bunch of pinholes in the head pipe, and it was a little noisy, but not too bad. So I've been running it, and of course now it's winter time and it's freezing out, and it's snowing. We'll be out there in a second. But I went to pass a car the other day on the way to work that was going slow, and I gunned it, and I blew about a silver dollar size hole out of the head pipe, and now it's extremely loud, and I don't have time to fix it the right way, so I've got to improvise because it's really loud for cruising through town. So I got a couple of Jenny Late beer cans here, and this Tiger Patch, which is a heat-activated muffler wrap I bought at Advanced Auto Parts for like $6. Got 2 packages of that, and I got 2 spent Jenny Late cans. May or may not have come from tonight. We'll see. But let's go outside and we'll jack up the truck and see what it looks like. First thing I'm going to do is cut these beer cans down and make some patches out of them. So I'm going to take this razor blade. Hopefully I won't kill myself here. And cut the bottom of this off. What I want to do is I want to make a wrap out of this. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it lengthwise here. Actually, let me cut it free. All right. I'm going to flatten this out. So, and I'm going to cut it lengthwise. Then I'll open her up. Now I've got a nice aluminum wrap. I can wrap the hole in the pipe first. And then I'm going to cut one more. When we get done putting the seal on, I'm going to wrap it around the side again. Alright, there's my second wrap. Bam! So we got our wraps, we got our wire. Let's go out and we'll check out the truck. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, get up under here, take this beer can, make a little patch around here. Got my wire, got my Langston pliers. I'm going to twist this, cinch it up tight with these linesmans. Hopefully. So I got my can mounted here. Now we're going to wrap it with that tape. And then we're going to have to run the engine for 20 minutes to cure this. Hopefully I can seal it up tight with this stuff. Now why aren't I in the nice heated garage, you might ask? Well, there's too much junk in there right now that can't get wet out in a snowstorm. And I don't have any room to get in the garage. So that's why we're laying out in the driveway at 9:30 at night doing this. So we're gonna peel this tape off both sides. Apparently that makes it sticky, I guess. And we're just gonna try wrapping this around here. Okay, so it's heat activated, so it's starting to, it wants to stick to this pipe. Gonna try to wrap it tight. A little overlap. Turn over the can like so. Oh yeah. I guess this needs to get heat activated. So I'm going to start the truck back up. I'll start the truck back up and let her cook a little bit. Okay, I can tell you right now this is hot already. I can get some gloves here. Just gonna fit it and keep wrapping. I'll put on a second layer here. But now it's slimy and sticky. So this is like a fiberglass tape with a resin in it. And I'm doing a pretty crappy job of controlling the action here in the driveway in the snowstorm. I want to kind of like cinch this down tight. There we go. And getting her wrapped up here. There we go. It's kind of all stuck together. I'm going to go ahead and run the truck for 20 minutes like it says. Oh, my fingers are stuck together now. I'm going to run the truck for 20 minutes. Let this goop together. Now as this sets up, I'm adding a second beer can for a little bit of extra action and a couple of hose clamps to squeeze it together. This is the piece de resistance right here. Say that this right here is not making any noise. It was extremely loud before. I should have fired it up, but it's late and it's loud and I don't want to wake my neighbors up. But I hear no noise coming from this at all. It's going to go on here nice, and it's double aluminum cans. Got Jenny Light cans, best cans in the industry. Hopefully this will be all right. And we'll keep motoring on down the road. Here we go, we got the finished repair. We got the Nancy can, hose clamp on there. It's nice and quiet, sealed up. And let it cure. Alright, so there we go. A little bit of Tiger Patch, Muffler Patch, and 2 Jenny Light cans. And I got the exhaust system patched up like gangbusters on the Winter Rat S10. Now, normally, you'd want to buy a new head pipe and all that, but it's pretty cold out. It's late. The thing blew out on me yesterday morning going to work, and I don't have time or space right now to deal with trying to tear the head pipe off that. And it's snowing out, so it's the only thing I got to drive in the winter that I don't mind getting salt on. So for a whole host of reasons, I don't want to try to change a head pipe right now. I don't want to get in a pickle where I can't get the truck back together and not get to work and not wreck any of my other vehicles with salt. So for that reason, I cobbled it together and hopefully it'll work. So the debauchery on the S10 just keeps going and going. I got the tailgate cobbled in there. I got the bed falling off the truck. I got retread snow tires. Now I got a taped up and beer can exhaust system, and that thing keeps going. It's like the Energizer Buddy. It's the S10 Winter Rat Wonder Truck. So that was exciting. So I want to thank Genesee Beer in Rochester, New York for making Jenny Light the best beer in the world and providing us with Jenny Light cans to fix exhaust. We'll see how this Tiger Patch from Advanced Auto Parts works. And for I think $12 plus 10 cents for 2 cans, I got the exhaust system fixed right up, ready to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to put a circle over here. Bang! Hit it right there. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So like, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop. Hopefully with better content that's not debauchery, but I can't promise anything. We'll see you later.